Hello. Today we will be installing a RCD330 head unit in my 2009 Volkswagen GTI. I just got this car. Has 78,000 miles, I think. Underneath, she's pretty much bone stock. I only say pretty much because the previous owner looks like you can see the throttle body connector down here. It's like taped, and I'm missing something there. But only problem we have so far when I bought the car is there is an oil leak on that cam cover. I think that's a cam cover. I think that's a name, whatever. Cover of I'll show you a build sheet for what we have so far. A new grill on the way, so headlights are in great condition. But anyways, let's get started installing this RCD330 head unit. So this is the head unit, RCD330. I do have a Canbus gateway. So this Canbus gateway is not a part of the RCD330 head unit. You do have to buy this separately, and I believe this prevents power loss and enables your steering wheel controls. It'll enable those buttons to work with the head unit. Speaking of 6-speed and old head unit. Kind of shitty. Yeah, it was nothing spectacular. One thing I didn't like about it was that there was no Bluetooth function. And well, I'll be bringing this car to the track. I won't need Bluetooth there. It is nice to have Bluetooth in my daily driver, so that'll be nice. Let's get to this install. Always disconnect your negative battery terminal. That way you don't have to worry about anything shorting. So yeah, always disconnect your negative battery terminal. So now, with our negative battery terminal disconnected, we can get to the install. Fortunately for us, included in this kit are some plastic pry pieces, so we don't have to go out and buy them. I had no idea that these were included in this kit, but it does make the job extremely nice. So let's get in here. I know the first thing we're gonna have to do is pry off First thing we're gonna have to do is I'm gonna take this small pry bar and without breaking the plastic trim pieces. So I took this plastic part off. I don't know if you can see this or not, but like this pin connector, there was no pin, there was no wire. So I think someone has to have been back here. I have no idea what this sensor does, but yeah, if you could let me know what this thing does. It sits right back here. That would be great, because I have no idea. As it looks to me, there is no cable connector. So whoever worked on this last, in my opinion, was incompetent. Anyway, it looks like we have some torque bits back there. Focus, you fuck. As you can see, it is a T20 bit. What I did was just put a T20 on a 2-inch extension and a 1/4-inch socket, and that way you can fit your screw or your T20 bit on there. And yeah, you're just taking out that bolt, this bolt, which was in that hole. Now It's just pry and hope not to break kind of deal. Okay, I have the secret for getting this out. It's literally, so see these pieces are hinges. So you gotta push them in. So you gotta pull the back side up, lift by the back side, and then it will pop out. It does take some pressure, so I used my pry tool just to get it out of the way while I was working on it. But now we're here. Looks like we have 2 more T20s, and then we'll be able to take this entire plastic piece off, and then we should be pretty damn close to getting this bad boy out. So let's keep moving. So once you've got those 2 more out, it looks like you just pull this up. Okay, to get this one out, all you're doing is pulling straight up on this. See, there's these clips right here. Pull straight up on those, and you should get it. If I'm probably gonna take that wire out. Be very careful with this. There's that wire. Actually, there's 2. So we'll unplug those. So we got this MFR out. This one you do gotta, or the emergency flasher, you gotta squeeze up and down. And this one is like a butterfly clip where you gotta swing both butterflies back. So now we have that out. So once you have those 2 T20s off from the side, there are these 2 retaining clips that keep it from vibrating. You can just pull them straight up. And then you have this plastic piece right around the head unit. Be very gentle when you're taking this off. You don't want to snap any of these connectors, because plastic connectors suck ass when you snap them, because then everything's rattly. But yeah, let's do that. Plastic pry tool, again, be gentle. Yep, so that was very easy. You just go around it and go around it with, I don't know, a tool with more surface area, just wrapping around the sides. That way you can put even amount of pressure on it. And now we are down to the 4 head unit bolts. Let's get that to focus. 4. So you got 2 T20s. Here, let me put this in manual focus. 4 T20s, sorry, I don't know how to speak. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I believe, if we're looking at everything right, we should be able to pull this bad boy out of the car. Let's get that. Okay, we got our 4 T20s out. So now we should be just able to wiggle this bad boy out. Okay, we slid the head unit out. All you do, it's really simple. You just slide this thing back, and this connector will come out on its own. For these connectors, there's this little white piece, or translucent piece at the back. All you're doing is popping them forward, and then pulling them straight back, making sure not to break anything. I think I got this figured out. So first we're gonna install our Canbus gateway. That just goes on that original power cord, and it should clip into place just like all your other ones have clipped into place. So we're chilling there. Next we have the radio antenna. So you're gonna take this bad boy, and we're gonna put the radio antenna, like adapter shit, right on there, just like that. Yeah, should be good. And then we'll plug both of these right into the back of the RCD330. So yeah, let's get this shit. Okay, with both those installed, we'll turn the battery on real quick and see if this shit works. It's the moment of truth. We have our key. Let's see if this shit turns on. Let's fucking go, boys. Damn.
artificial intelligence has gotten really smart. Do we think it can make a better
Wow.
Thanksgiving menu than us humans who sort of spend year after year trying to reinvent?
How did you program?
Let's shut her off, but she looks good. Let's finish this install, wrap everything up. Oh, check the J. Anyway, 4 T20s back on. We'll get this shit back in, looking good as hell. Damn, boy. All right, let's go. All right, now we have our 4 T20s installed. Let's get this plastic piece back in place. Should just be a unilateral push downwards. Wow. God damn. 2 more T20s up here and up here. Okay, once you got that done, don't do that. But we're gonna put these plastic things back on. Oh shoot, thank you for reminding me, videographer Caden. You are gonna need to reinstall these retaining clips right up here. They just go in like that. Alright, so we got this rewired back in there. Make sure your thing is bouncy. Mine was kind of screwed up, so oh shoot, I missed a step. You gotta make sure you reconnect. Can't see shit. Anyway, you'll see on your cable there's a little like a grabber arm, and that goes on this plastic control arm. And you can't even see it, but yeah, it's there. So do that. Okay, we got this shit back in. Looks flush already. We have 2 more T20s. Or 3 more if you've managed your screws correctly. 1 there, 1 there. Now we got only this weird plastic piece. Yeah, give it 2 nice, good slams, and that's in there. Sweet, we made it in the hole. Let's go. In the hole. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna tighten that down. I'll put this cover on. This cover on with a mysterious sensor. If anyone knows what this sensor does. Awesome. We got that all done. That was the corner where we were missing a plastic piece. But yeah, this shit looks beautiful. Let's get the battery back on. If anyone does have any answers to someone respliced this. I know there was a technical service bulletin. Obviously this was redone. It gives me fault codes sometimes, ESP codes, to be 100% accurate, but I can just clear them and they won't come back. They'll only come back if you're on like a hard, if you ride the clutch too much. So, I have a new fire blanket, heat shield thing in the mail. New coil packs, intake, new grill. So yeah, looking forward to it. Let's get the battery in and let's see how this bad boy sounds. We have the new radio in. Again, let's fire. Let's put the car in. Wow, steering wheel controls work. overall, that is your install of your RCD330 head unit. This is just the first of many in this build series. It's definitely going to get bigger than just a head unit in terms of what we want this car to be. I'm looking to eventually gut it, or at least make it more Porsche-esque. That's probably my inspiration. Going for trying to beat like Cayennes on a track, or sorry, not Cayennes, Boxsters. And I think it'll definitely be possible. So yeah, looking forward to this. Let me switch this viewfinder out so I can see myself. Yeah, looking forward to this build series. Here we have our build. Car was 9,988. Head unit was 430. So yeah, we'll just keep track of how much, how we are doing in terms of budget. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, like I said, and yeah, have a good one.